Buenos días, buenas tardes, mis estudiantes favoritos. Hoy es clase 28 de español 101. Hoy es jueves, no, hoy no es jueves, hoy es viernes el 27 de marzo. And as you know, we've learned the last couple of days in this class, we've learned a lot of stem changing verbs, a lot of irregular-like types of verbs, things that have irregular form in the yo form. We're going to practice that a lot today. It kind of stinks that we are in this format, because if you would have been sitting in the class, we'd have been doing a ton of partner stuff, back and forth, partners practice, the sounds of the questions, answers, doing all those things. But nonetheless, here we are. So you're going to want to keep your finger on the pause button so that I'm going to ask the question and then I want you to pause it. Give me your full answer, because I probably won't give you enough time to answer it completely, and then that will frustrate you that I'm moving on before you're ready. So go ahead and pause it, and then you can move on when I'm ready. I'm also having trouble advancing these slides on my laptop. I don't know why. So if you hear me, I'll try not to swear and say bad words, but I will try to get these slides advanced as we move through. Okay. Notice in this first slide you see lots of questions that have stem changing verbs. IE stem changing verbs, UE stem changing verbs. So I've cheated a little bit, and I've given you the potential answers in your question at the ends of the questions. So I've changed the verb for you. I've done most of the work for you. So all you have to do is fill in the rest of the information. So here we go. ¿Dónde almuerzas? Go ahead and click pause, answer it, and then come back. Almuerzo en la cafetería, perhaps? ¿Con quién almuerzas? Almuerzo con mis amigos, almuerzo con mi familia, one of those. Next one. ¿Por cuántas horas duermes normalmente, normally? Yo duermo 7 horas, o yo duermo 8 horas, o yo duermo 4 horas. If that's you, you should really get some more sleep. Next one. ¿Prefieres el ciclismo o el esquí acuático? Yo prefiero el ciclismo. 4. ¿Puedes hablar inglés? Sí, yo puedo hablar inglés. ¿Puedes andar en patineta? Yo no puedo andar en patineta. Okay, next question. ¿Pierdes clase mucho? Okay, perder, if you remember, that has two definitions. One has to do with games, as far as losing games. This one probably is not that definition. This is the other one, which is to miss. It could be to lose. In this case, it probably means to miss. Do you miss class a lot? ¿Pierdes clase mucho? Pause and answer. No pierdo clase mucho. I don't miss class. No pierdo clase mucho. ¿Qué quieres hacer este fin de semana? Notice two verbs back to back. I've changed quieres, but my second verb, as always, stays in the infinitive. It's just like in puedes hablar, puedes andar. Here is quieres hacer este fin de semana. ¿Qué quieres hacer? Pause and answer. Yo quiero visitar a mi familia, but I don't think that's going to happen. Quiero ver una película. Quiero ir de excursión. Something like that. Last question. ¿Recuerdas el vocabulario de la familia en español? Sí, yo recuerdo el vocabulario. Madre, padre, hermano, hermana, abuelo, abuela, tío, tía. Yo recuerdo el vocabulario de la familia en español. Okay, next slide. I hope this advances. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Let me pause it for a second. I'm going to see if I can get it advanced. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so I've got a few inspirational quotes here going on. Si in this particular slide doesn't mean yes, no accent, so it means if. So, si creo, puedo. Get it? Get it? Get it? If I believe, I can do it. Okay, let's see if I can advance it again. Next slide also has a little piece of, looks like a little part of a literature there, or a little poem, something like that. A little conversation between novios, it appears. One saying to the other one, no puedo vivir sin ti, without you. The response to that, sí que puedes. Yes, you can. The answer, sí, pero no quiero. Right? Yeah, sure I can, but I don't want to. All right, next slide. Another one that has the puedo verb in there. No puedo seguir. We just had that verb as well last class period. Continue. I can't continue. I can't go on. Oh, no puedo seguir. The importance of a comma, right? No, I can continue. So tú decides. It's your option whether you're going to choose to give up or keep going. Okay, next slide. I have got, you'll notice the new verbs that we talked about, the yo, go verbs, where the yo form only has the go form. So the verb conseguir, consigo, seguir, sigo, decir, digo, hacer, hago, oír, oigo. And then we have an E to I stem changer right there, pedir, pido. Now, remember these actions, to get, conseguir, consigo. So I'd like to say that. I would like you to repeat it. And then reach out and grab something, get it, because the verb conseguir means to get. All right, so do it with me, please do. Even though you're just sitting there in front of your computer screen, I would like you to do it with me. So I'm going to say conseguir sigo, repeat it, do the action. Conseguir consigo. Seguir sigo has to do with continuing, following. So kind of put your hand vertically and then follow a path. Seguir sigo. Decir, digo, to say, to tell. So put your fingers on either side of your mouth. Spew some words out. Do the action. Repeat it as after me. Decir, digo. Hacer, hago is the next one. If you remember, the verb to make and to do is hacer. So you're going to make a to-do list. So kind of write on your hand there. So I'll say it. You repeat it with the action. Hacer, hago. Okay, oír, oigo, kind of put your fingers in your ears. You're going to hear something. So oír, oigo, repitan. And the last one, we're going to clasp our hands together like we're praying, we're asking for something. Pedir is to ask for, to request. So here we go. Pedir, pido, repitan. Okay, now I'm going to go back and forth between them. So do the appropriate action and repeat it as you learn, and just sort of keep working on acquiring these new vocab words. So first one, oír, oigo. Decir, digo. Conseguir, consigo. Hacer, hago. Seguir, sigo. Pedir, pido. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more information. I'm going to get the books in the bookstore, right? That's where I get my books. Yo consigo los libros en la librería. Next one, I'm going to continue talking, hablando. Let's just do the hablando. Let's just forget the estudiando. I keep talking. I continue talking. Sigo hablando. We're going to soon learn that ando has to do with the ing ending. So you guys haven't actually learned that yet, but let's just trust me, it's coming. Sigo hablando, I continue talking. Next one, let's add to the verb decir. Yo digo la verdad, I tell the truth. Digo la verdad. Next one, hacer, hago la tarea, I do the homework. Of course, that's a really common word that you could finish that verb with. Hago la tarea. Oigo la música, I hear the music. And then pedir, yo pido, what am I asking for? A favor. Pido un favor. I'm asking for a favor. All right. So, what I was going to do is have your partner give you the action. You're going to respond with not just the yo form, but also with that phrase that you see in the green letters. So you can't see me, unfortunately. So I want you just to stop the video right now, pause it, give yourself a little bit of practice with those. Action along with it will really help your brain solidify what those words mean, and it'll give you a better handle on those. As the test is coming up here soon, it'll give you practice with those verbs. So pause the video and give that a shot. And we will now continue with the next slide. I've got more of the same on the next slide. You see the 6 verbs that we've been working on. So poner, pongo, repetir, repito, salir, salgo. So again, poner, put, repetir, to repeat, boom, boom, boom. Salir, salgo, sort of like whoosh somebody out of the door. We got to suppose, suponer, supongo, to bring, traer, traigo, and ver, veo, to see, I see, yo veo. Let's add a little bit more vocab to that. So, pongo la pluma en la mesa. I put the pen on the table. Repito, come on, repito la pregunta. I repeat the question. Yo salgo del cuarto. I leave from the room. Supongo que sí. I suppose so. Supongo que sí. Traer, bring. So traigo la mochila a clase. I bring the backpack to class. Traigo la mochila a clase. And then ver, veo, having to do with seeing stuff. Veo la película. Okay. So I'm going to give you repetir, repito. I want you to give me the action that goes with that and then add the green words. So for example, I say repetir, repito. You do the boom, boom, boom action, repeating something on your hand or whatever, and then give me the repito la pregunta. Okay, we'll just do a few of these because we're almost to the end of this first video. Here we go. Salir, salgo. Salgo del cuarto. Next one. Poner, pongo. Pongo la mesa, la pluma en la mesa. Ver, veo. Veo la película. Suponer, supongo. Supongo que sí. Traer, traigo. Traigo la mochila a clase. I think we did them. I think we've done them all. I encourage you to pause it again and run through those again. Possibly go back in the video a little bit prior to the previous slide, and you can do those 6 verbs as well to practice those, because need lots and lots of practice with those. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video and start the second one, and go to the next slide in just a second. So let me get that loaded and stop. Can't get the cursor there. There it is. Okay.